What's up YouTube? It's your girl Amber Corinne, and today I'm doing something a little bit different. I know you guys are used to seeing me do my interviews on here with some celebrities. I've done some unsigned artists, but today we're talking about hair. We're talking about hair. So I got this unit from WowAfrican.com, and I want to share with you guys a little bit about the hair and how it's holding up, because I'm in love with it and I did it myself. So you know, I wanted to share with you guys. So pretty much this is a 360 lace frontal unit, 180% density, 22 inches. It is the silky straight Indian hair. I think I got that. I think I did it without even having to read it. I paid about $206 for this hair, and honestly, WowAfrican, they always have promotions going on. Like always, excuse me, I have a cold. But they always got promotions going on, meaning that they always have codes you can use to get some money off. So when I got this hair, I don't know what promotion was going on, but I know that I got like $20-something off, so I paid $206. Now that's a good price for a 360 lace frontal unit, 22 inches, 180% density. Because honestly, these wigs nowadays are like $1,000, $800. Nobody got time for that. I'm on a budget. I don't know about you, but I'm not paying that. I'm not paying the $5. So this hair is definitely worth it. Very manageable. As you can see, it is silky straight, but I put some curls in it using some flexi rods. I use these kind of flexi rods. I think that's like a 1 inch, 2 inch. I don't know. Whatever. You can find those at beauty supply stores anywhere. So yeah, I'll just put like 6 of those in here sometimes and just give it a little wave. Now I don't get it because I buy straight hair, but somehow or another I always end up curling it. I don't know why. Like, it's like, what's the point of getting straight hair if you're gonna curl it, right? I don't know. I'm weird. But anyway, I like curly hair, I like straight hair, but I just wanted some kind of wave. Some kind of wave. So at night, I'll put the flexi rods in. I'll use one of these Silk Daddies. If you're from Jersey, New York, you already know what this is. The Silk Daddy, the Durag. But shout out to Dougie if I got this yellow one from him. But I use that at night. I tie it down. I get up in the morning. I take the flexi rods out, and I'm good to go. For some of you who don't know, besides interviewing, I'm a teacher. So in the morning, I don't have much time. I got to be to work on time. So I need something that I can just get up and go. And that's pretty much what units do for me. I take care of my natural hair underneath, but when I gotta go, like, I gotta go, so I throw it on and go. So for the unit that I got on WowAfrican.com, you can choose, you can customize it any kind of way you want so that it fits you. Meaning if you have a certain measurement you want for your head, they have a section where you can put in the measurements of your head so that it fits perfectly. You can choose baby hairs if you want. You can choose the color lace that you want, as far as, and the cap. So for me, I'm gonna link everything below, but I chose a medium brown tinted lace. I chose a 7A glueless cap, I believe. That means it has 2 clips over here, 1 in the back, and that's it. I kept the clips. I'm probably going to take them out though, because they're a little uncomfortable over here. But I chose the one with the clips. Hold on, guys. My cold will not let me be great, guys. This weather's crazy. What else do I want to say about the hair? I'm not gonna lie, it does shed sometimes. It's minimal shedding though, not nothing crazy where if I brush it, you know, I have a clump of hairs, nothing like that. I feel like all hair sheds. Like when you hear YouTubers say, oh, this hair don't shed, you know, I've never seen a strand come out, they be lying, because think about it, our natural hair sheds, so a wig is not coming out of your scalp, of course it might shed. So minimum shedding though, nothing crazy. So what I do is I use my, where is it? To brush it, I use my dimming brush. I can't find it right now. My dimming brush, I pretty much got off of Amazon for about, I would say $30 to $40. I bought it like 3 years ago, so it's pretty good. It still holds up. I got that. I use that to brush my curls out, get the tangles out. If I'm conditioning, you know, I brush it lightly, very gently, because you will get shedding. I do that with my dimming brush. I condition the hair maybe once every 2 weeks. I know that sounds crazy, right? Some people do it every week. But honestly, I haven't had no problems with this hair to the point where I need to condition it every week. So I'm doing it like maybe once every 2 weeks. And you know, when I'm washing it, I'm making sure that I'm like going like this with it, so it keeps the bounce that it has. You know, you never want to wring your hair out. You never want to, you know, be too harsh on the hair, because you will get bald spots, especially in the lace, and you will get shedding. I'm telling you that right now. Do not do that. Be very gentle. Treat your hair like you would treat your unit like you would treat your real hair. That's what I can say. Anything else I want to share about this hair? All I can say is they're very affordable. They have great quality hair. If you guys go follow them on Instagram, you will see what I'm talking about. Like everybody that they show, I don't think they just pick like YouTubers with high amounts of subscribers and show y'all that hair. Like, you know what I'm saying? They don't just send them good hair. I feel like everybody gets good hair. I've bought from them plenty of times and I've never had any problems with my hair, including the next hair that I'm going to be showing y'all next, because I can't wait to put that on. I'm going to Texas, South by Southwest, and y'all see what I'm talking about. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you really enjoyed the video. If you guys want to know any questions about this hair, leave it below. I'll leave a link to everything, the exact same unit I got. I'm gonna leave it below. Oh, I also wanted to say about the luster. I keep forgetting about that. So this is silky straight hair, meaning that naturally it's gonna have that silky look, meaning kind of shiny. Now it's a natural shiny. It's not like a plastic synthetic shiny. So in the morning, sometimes if my hair gets too dry, I'll put a little bit of oil sheen, like literally just a little bit, because like I said, if you put too much, it's going to look plasticky and you don't want that. So you can do that, like I said, maybe once every, I don't know, 2-3 weeks, and it'll keep a nice little luster on it. Okay. Yeah, that's it. If you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I only got 50 subscribers. I need more. Okay guys, so I'm going to give you guys great content. So just stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.